Hi there, seventh graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 9. And a couple of quick things here first. First of all, just want to remind everyone about the Start Here folder. If you ever have any questions, need to go back and look at the course syllabus is in here, how to contact me, of course. First 4 assignments, if you ever want to go back and look at our orientation discussion. Looks like someone did go back and put in there. Also, almost every question ever asked of me about this course could have been answered by looking through tips, tricks, and student resources. All sorts of useful things in here. So please take a look in there. Also, of course, being Monday, you should be watching the weekly video, which you're doing right now. So very good. And also, please make sure that you go and check your grade book. You check your Schoology messages, your email. In the grade book, all of the feedback that I've given you. So all those things you should be doing on a daily or at least every other day basis anyways, but just some good tips and hints for you. All right. So we are talking week 9. So last week we started the Unit 1 final and going through. We basically have a folder for week 8 and 9. And so hopefully at this point you have completed the Unit 1 final discussion, which is the introductory paragraph for your Unit 1 final. You've posted it and you've given feedback to at least 2 of your classmates. This is the one time in a discussion board where I want you to, well, one of 2 times, the other discussion being the other one this week, where I want you to give them constructive criticism and feedback on their writing style. Normally, we only focus on the content. In this case, I want you to give them suggestions on the content, but also how their their writing style. Yes, really good introductory sentence, really good point. You've picked some good evidence to use. I would try and do it this way. Those are various things. So hopefully you have finished that assignment, and you're going to start working on the evidence discussion. So your point paragraph is the introduction to your what I would suggest would be a 5-paragraph essay to complete your Unit 1 final assessment. This second discussion board, you're going to present the evidence. So what I would suggest would be 3 paragraphs. You've chosen 3 documents from the Unit 1 final assessment to use. So they give you 6 documents to choose from. Choose 3 of those, and this is, you're going to write 3 paragraphs, 1 for each document, that as the evidence to support your point paragraph. Okay, so for the evidence discussion, your post will be 3 paragraphs, which are your first drafts of your evidence paragraphs. And so you've done an intro. You're going to do these 3 evidence paragraphs. Also, again, replying to at least 2 of your classmates, giving them constructive feedback. And please give feedback to people who don't have feedback yet. If the first couple of people who posted have a lot of feedback, definitely go down towards the bottom and give people feedback who don't have it yet or don't have as much feedback. We're trying to get everyone some feedback, some constructive feedback for them to improve their Unit 1 final before they turn it in. Okay, and then of course the Unit 1 final itself will be due Friday, technically Sunday, but try and get it in by Friday. And then you'll see that I did add one thing here, a discussion board right at the end, what I learned in Unit 1. That's a much lighter one. Don't worry about that until you have turned in your Unit 1 final, then go through this discussion board. So we do have to make sure by Friday, you definitely need to have done this discussion board. You should have completed this one by Wednesday, October 17th. And then using the feedback that you received from your classmates, complete the final draft of your Unit 1 final text-based assessment, get that turned in on Friday, and then do this discussion board. This should be pretty quick and easy right there for a Friday afternoon type of thing. All right, let me know if you have any questions. We'll be seeing some of you on Wednesday, but for the rest of you, let me know what questions you might have that I might be able to answer. Please ask me early in the week. Don't wait until Friday afternoon to ask me a question about this. What are we doing? Because this is a 2-week thing. I've given you 2 weeks to complete this. So hopefully you've been using your time wisely. Get these discussion boards all done on time so that the feedback can be useful to other people. Great. Let me know. I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.